In this video, I have explained what is meant by expression, examples of expressions, and what is meant by precedency of operator and the precedency of operators in Python programming language. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, share this video link with your friends as well as family members. Gain the knowledge and rule the world. Happy learning. Expression. An expression is defined as a combination of constants, variables and operators. An expression always evaluates to a value. A value or a standalone variable is also considered as an expression, but a standalone operator is not an expression. That means, for example, sum is equal to a plus b. It is an expression where it is consisting of variables and operator. Suppose if you write sum is equal to a plus 10. It is also an expression because it is a combination of variable constant. Example, num. This is also an expression. Example, 10. It is also an expression, but plus, minus, asterisk, these are not an expression. It means a standalone operator is not an expression. An expression is defined as a combination of constants, variables and operators. Some examples of valid expressions are 10, radius, num minus 20.4, 3.5 plus 2.4, 10 by 3 minus 4 into within a bracket 5 by 2, hello plus world. Hello and world are the strings and it has been concatenated by using a plus symbol. Pi into R, a plus b minus 5, a into xy minus within a bracket r by 2. These are the few examples of invalid expressions. Precedency of operators. As I told, an expression will be consisting of variable, constant and operator. So while evaluating an expression, so which operator has to be given the preference? That is called as a precedency of operator. This is the evaluation of an expression is based on precedency of operators. When an expression contains different kinds of operator, precedency determines which operator should be applied first. The higher precedency operator is evaluated before the lower precedency operator. So an operator which will be having a higher precedency, that will be evaluated first before the lower precedency operator. As an example, the binary operators are the operators with two operands, whereas the unary operators need only one operand and they have a higher precedency than the binary operators. This is just the comparison between binary operator and unary operator, and unary operator is having a higher precedency than the binary operator. The minus as well as the plus operators can act both as an unary operator as well as an binary operator. It depends upon the number of operands, but not is a unary logical operator. So remember, the unary operators will be having a higher precedency than the binary operators. Precedency of all operators in Python programming language. As I told, when we use a number of operators, among them an operator with higher precedency will be evaluated first. Now we'll show you the various kinds of operators and what are those precedency. So first, the higher precedency is for exponential operator, that is a double asterisk, which is used for the purpose of finding the rise to the power. That is to find a to the power b or m to the power n. The next precedency is for complement unary minus and unary plus. That is the complement operator unary minus and unary plus. The next for multiply, divide, modulo and floor division. That is for multiplication, division, and to find the remainder and to find the floor division. That is an integer division. Next precedency is for addition and subtraction. Next for relational and comparison operators. That is greater than, equal to, greater than, less than, equal to, not equal to. This will be given the next precedency. The next one is assignment operators, which include equal to symbol and shorthand assignment operators. The next precedency is for identity operators, is not. The next membership operators, in, not in. The next logical operators, not and or. So this is how the precedency of an operators is there in Python programming language. This precedency of an operators can be override. How? So parenthesis can be used to override the precedency of operators. That is, in an expression, if you write the operators along with the operands within a parenthesis, that is within a small bracket, so those will be evaluated first. For operators with equal precedency, that means if an expression consists of multiplication as well as division, so multiplication and division are having a equal precedency, so which has to be evaluated first? The expression is evaluated from left to right. So this is regarding the precedency of an operators and how the precedency of an operators will be applied for a given expression. First we need to open the Python interpreter. So in the search I am typing IDLE. So here you can see IDLE Python 3.12. Double click on that one. That particular application will be opened. That is, and Python interpreter will be open. Just I am adjusting the screen size of that Python interpreter. Okay, so now we'll show you a few examples of an expression. So first one, 20 plus 30 into 40. So what will be the output? 20 plus 30, 50. 50 into 40, how much? 2000. But in reality, how it will be executed is, first it will calculate 30 into 40, that means 1200 plus 20, that means the answer will be 1220. Right? Suppose if you want the first one, that is 20 plus 30 has to be executed. So that you can do by writing them within the braces, that is 20 plus 30, close the bracket, into 40. You wanted this one has to be done, but the answer you got is different, because that is because of the precedency of an operator, and asterisk is having a precedency than the plus. That is the multiple, that is a multiply operator has a higher precedency than an addition operator. So now you can see, so in this one the result will be 2000, because 20 plus 30, 50, that will be evaluated first, then it will be multiplied with 40. Suppose if you write 20 minus 30 plus 50, so what will be the answer of this one? So first there are two operators, minus and plus, and both are of an same precedency. That means it will be evaluated from left to right. That means 20 minus 30, it will be minus 10. Minus 10 plus 50, it will be at 40. Therefore the answer will be 40. Suppose if you write 20 minus 30 plus within a bracket 4 minus 2. So how this will be evaluated? So first it will calculate 4 minus 2. It will be what? 2. Then you are having 20 minus 30 plus 2. Among that, first it will evaluate 20 minus 30. That means it will be minus 10. Minus 10 plus 2. The answer will be minus 8. This is how an expression will be evaluated. So another one example we shall see. 15 divided by 4 plus within a bracket 8.0 plus 3.0. So in this one, what will be the answer? First it will calculate 8 plus 3, that means 11. Then it will perform 15 divided by 4. Then that will be added with 11, because plus and division symbol, among them the higher precedency is for division. So therefore the answer will be 14.75. This is how the precedency of an operator will be, and using a braces you can overcome the precedency of an operator. Okay, like the video, subscribe to the channel, share this video link with your friends as well as family members. Do watch more videos in my YouTube channel.